Namaste, TJ here. During this lockdown period, I made lot of videos for my Bhabiji for YouTube. In there, I faced lot of issues with the size of the video. While making this video in my Final Cut, cost me a huge amount of file in my system. So what happened? My internet pack will get over soon as possible. I have tried many applications to get this thing fixed, but the quality of the video is an issue. Here I come with a solution to fix that issue. Let's see what are the steps. So guys, open the browser and search for Handbrake Windows Download. This is a open source software, so no worries, you don't need to pay any payment. Choose the operating system. Here I am using Windows 64-bit. Click and wait for the download to be completed. It's around 13 MB, so it's more compactable and handy tool. I already have this software, so no more waiting, let's jump into that. So here we can directly drop the file. See the size of the file, it's 3.6 GB. I'm dragging the file into it. It will take some second to load. Here I am in the summary page. Check the web optimize is on. No changes in the dimension box. No filter change too. Here we will change into 23 constant quality. The frame rate as 60. And make sure switch the peak into constant frame rate. So we almost done. No changes in the rest of all. If you can change the path, you can change accordingly. And we can save these settings for the future. For that, add button, name accordingly. Yeah, it's done. Take some time to get rendered. So I'm forwarding this video. See the difference, it's 3 GB difference. I believe you like this video. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel. To subscribe this channel, hit that red button down below and smash that bell icon to get my regular updates. I made some awesome videos here and here. See it and enjoy it. Show some love in the form of like, comment and share. We will see you soon.